Can you make a sentence in Igbo language? Okay, you can make a sentence in Igbo language, but can you hold a conversation of 2 or 5 minutes in Igbo language? And in Igbo language throughout, every single word in that conversation will be Igbo language. Is that easy for you to do, or is it a problem? Now, if that is a problem, I will not be and they're not feeling Chidera only has to say Chidera teaches Igbo. You are making a big mistake, because what we'll be doing this time around is to be taking some of these words that seem difficult to understand the meaning in English, and we'll break it down. There is no word that you can think of in English language that does not have Igbo meaning. It is impossible. It is impossible. So we're going to be breaking those words down. And if you have some words you think it doesn't have an Igbo meaning, drop them in the comment section. You'll be surprised. You'll be amazed that these words has Igbo meaning and you're not aware of it. Just keep following. Just keep liking, just keep commenting for more. Wandalun,